Good afternoon, everyone. Jack of the Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2001 GMC Bluebird. This is a 72 passenger. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is, check out the tires on this. This is powered by the Chevrolet GMC 8.1. Alright, so come back inside. So first and first, then over. Grab our car, come in. We're going to the driver area first. Driver pay upholstery. The miles are 129,957 miles. Panasonic, heat AC and radio controls. Got to see the big crack here. And the mirrors number 1 and number 2. These are fans or maybe phones. And that'll pretty much do it for the driver area. So in the back here, this is a 72 passenger. It's got the no representatives and everything, guys, like that. You can see the buzzer. This is the emergency will pass on the driver's side. And that'll pretty much do it for the inside. Let's check on the outside. Alright, so we got the gas in the wheel right here. See the tires, new doors. And the pipe there. That's made it right here on this. Alright, so this is it. The battery box in charge. See emergency exit door here. Got the rear driver's side doors. Got the fuel and gas. And last but not least, driver's side tire. We got the battery box and tray here. And we have a car and controls here. Well, thank you guys for watching this Northwest Bus Sales explosive video tour. If you like this bus or any other bus to call out, say 1-800-221-2099. Please subscribe to ndavybus.com. More e-sales at ndavybus.com. Thanks for watching.